In Chapter 11, How to Communicate Difficult Feelings, John Gray introduces his most practical tool for relationship maintenance, the love letter technique. While previous chapters focused on understanding differences, this chapter provides a step-by-step method for processing negative emotions so they don't turn into the destructive arguments described in Chapter 9. 1. The problem: suppressed emotions. Gray argues that many people struggle to communicate because they don't know how to express negative feelings without sounding like they are attacking their partner. Men tend to suppress their feelings until they explode or retreat into their cave. Women often feel overwhelmed by their emotions and may express them in a way that sounds like a laundry list of complaints. If we don't share our feelings, we lose our capacity for intimacy. However, if we share them poorly, we create conflict. The love letter is the bridge between these two extremes. 2. The love letter technique. The goal of a love letter is to move through the layers of your hidden dark emotions to find the love that is buried underneath. Gray identifies 5 levels of feeling that must be expressed to reach true resolution. The 5 levels of a love letter. To write an effective letter, which you don't always have to send it, you must write a few sentences for each of the following. Anger and blame start with what makes you mad. I don't like it when. I feel angry that. Sadness and disappointment. Beneath anger is usually hurt. I feel sad that. I feel disappointed because. Fear and insecurity. This is the vulnerable layer. I feel scared that. I worry that. Regret and responsibility. This is where you acknowledge your own part. I am sorry for. I regret that I. Love, understanding, and desire. This is the core. I love you because. I want us to. I appreciate that you. By the time you reach level 5, your internal emotional tank is drained of the toxic stuff, allowing you to speak to your partner from a place of love rather than resentment. 3. The response letter. The second part of the technique involves writing a response letter to yourself. You write what you wish your partner would say in response to your love letter. This helps you identify exactly what you need to hear, e.g., I'm sorry or I appreciate you. Understand your own emotional needs better. Give your partner a map for how to support you. 4. Why this works. For men, it gives them a safe, private place to process feelings without feeling weak or judged. It prevents them from snapping at their partner. For women, it helps them organize their thoughts so they don't feel like they are rambling or nagging. It ensures their core message of love isn't lost in the anger. 5. Sharing the letter. Gray notes that you don't always have to give the letter to your partner. Sometimes, just writing it is enough to clear your own head. However, if you do share it, the partner's job is just to listen read. They don't need to fix the feelings. Wait for the right time. Don't hand it to them when they are stressed or busy. No arguing about the letter. The letter is a statement of feelings, and feelings aren't up for debate. Summary of the love letter format.